In this video, I'll show you how to rename a campaign in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, click on the first option. And at the bottom, click on the second option, which is campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to rename. This will be my sent email campaign. Now, on the right hand side of that campaign, head over to the action section. And from here, click on the three dots for more actions. At the bottom, you will find the second option. In here, you can rename your campaign. So if you click on rename, a pop-up will show. From here, you can set to rename your campaign. At the top in the right corner, you will see that we have a maximum of 100 letters. And in here, let's say we want to name this as our newsletter. And once you're done with your campaign name, head over to the bottom and click on save. Once you do that, it will automatically update within your campaign. You can also do this within a draft. On the right-hand side, three dots for more actions. Click on rename again, and we can rename this as our monthly newsletter. We can also do the same thing within a scheduled email. In here, it is set as paused, but on the right-hand side, we can still have an action to rename it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.